This was the moment dreamt by the thousands, and yet not witnessed until 1970, when Hazrat Khalifatul Masih III graced Ghana with his presence. Little did anyone know what blessed doors this visit would open in the future. Love for all and hatred for none is what Hazur had preached, and on his return from Ghana, he put it into practice like never before by launching the Nusrat Jahan scheme. Under the scheme, schools and hospitals were started around Ghana and then eventually all over Africa.
When I decided to sacrifice my life for Waqf Zindagi, Tariq-e-Deed office was, I think, they didn't need me because they thought that we don't want somebody who is qualified in this particular subject. I wrote directly to Hazrat Masih Salis, and he marked that letter to Tariq-e-Deed. So Tariq-e-Deed replied back to Hazrat Masih Salis that we don't need this boy at present. As soon as Hazrat Masih Salis received this letter, he said, "You don't need him, but I need him." Then he asked me to go through Nusrat Jahan to Africa, Ghana. He embraced me, and that was the first ever experience I had by embracing any of the Khalifas.